Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of operating systems to explore the key differences between distributed operating systems and network operating systems. We'll be presenting the information in a clear and concise table format to make it easy for you to understand. Let's get started. In terms of architecture, distributed operating systems have a decentralized structure where each node operates independently. On the other hand, network operating systems follow a centralized architecture with a central server controlling communication and resource access. Resource sharing in distributed operating systems occurs among interconnected computers, enabling seamless collaboration and resource utilization. Meanwhile, in network operating systems, shared resources are managed and accessed. Communication in distributed operating systems is typically peer-to-peer, allowing for direct interaction between nodes. In contrast, network operating systems utilize a client-server model, where clients request services or resources from a central server. Decision-making in distributed operating systems is distributed among nodes, enabling autonomous decision-making processes. However, in network operating systems, decision-making is centralized, with the server controlling access and resource allocation. When it comes to scalability, distributed operating systems are highly scalable across distributed nodes, while the scalability of network operating systems depends on the capabilities of the central server. And finally, some example applications of distributed operating systems include cloud computing and peer-to-peer networks, whereas network operating systems are commonly found in corporate networks and client-server environments. And there you have it, folks. A comparative analysis of distributed operating systems and network operating systems presented in a simple and easy-to-understand table format. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.